What's up YouTube? Marlino here. Just got this package in the mail from Revzilla. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. They sent it as a priority mail 2 days, so I was pretty surprised by that. It's pretty nice of them. So as you can see, it's sealed. Haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it up right now. I already know what this is, so it's no surprise to me, but it'll be a surprise for you guys. So, I got your usual Revzilla stickers, packing slip, and got the gloves. So these are the Drystar gloves, the SPZ Drystar. Let's open them up. Let's see what we got. All right, so got the left hand there. Nice road sport, waterproof. Information, got the book. Awesome. Cool. So I got these in a size small. Now I also own another pair of AlpineStars gloves, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. So let's try them on. Just out of the box, they look like some really nice quality full gauntlet. You know, I bought these gloves because I live in the Midwest, so it's still pretty cold right now. And, you know, it is the spring season, so we're going to see some rain, and I am planning on riding in the rain a lot more this year. Or just riding a lot more in general, so let's undo that. Let's try to get the right glove on. Okay, interesting. I think I might have sized a little too small. I was hoping that these would stretch a little bit, but yeah, I'm having a little trouble getting my thumb in. So actually I might have to size up to a medium. A little struggle here. Now I normally wear a size 8 glove, so a little struggle, but eventually I got in there. So I think maybe for these gloves I might want to prefer a tighter fit. That way I can get some more, you know, dexterity out of it. But hey, actually, you know what? Actually looks good. And you know, this being leather, I believe it is going to stretch. Now the problem is trying to get this Velcro on. Oh, there you go. Might be a little struggle with the other glove now that I have this glove on. But hey, not bad at all. You know, I really love this knuckle protector here. This ring and pinky finger bridge, I guess is what they call it. So far, yeah, it fits great. Love it. Cool. All right, so I wanted to compare these to my other gloves that I just got this year. And here it is. Also got them in the same color scheme, red, white, and black. And these are the SMX2s. These are my summer short cuff mesh gloves. So, and I got these in a medium, just because I wanted some more, you know, I guess some extra room there for some breathability. But yeah, I'm sure you guys will see these gloves make an appearance in my moto vlogs sometime in the future. So yeah, looks like I might keep these after all. I'll do a review on these, you know, after I ride them in the rain, or maybe even sometime soon in the cold weather. But, alright guys, have a good one.